Yeah, good evening. Good evening, viewers. Good evening once again. Welcome back to evening session on live trading. So we're going to be having a live trading this evening on Xauusd Gold. So we'll be doing live analysis. We're going to remove everything on this chart, everything, so that we can have a clean chart to start all over again. So if you are watching us, do subscribe to our channels, Datapoint Online Academy. The link is below where you can have our Telegram, share and comment, so that anytime we have this type of analysis, you always get. We have similars of videos we have made within the week, which you can enjoy. So do feel free to follow us. We're going to start with monthly. So for what we have monthly, the market is actually retracing as we have NFP for Friday. So we're going to mark our resistance. Let's consider the week. Then we possibly have the have okay, we can stop somewhere here for now. We can also change some of the colors. Fine. So we have this as our monthly. So the direction is clear. We go to weekly. On the weekly, we are still on bearish. What we need to do is to check if we have any structure we need to mark. We have a structure here. Okay. So we go to daily to get our direction. So now we are on daily, we can see our direction clearly. So this shows that we are fully on bearish. You can see lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then it's still pushing down. But remember, we have a support somewhere here that may likely hold our movement. But let's see how it goes. This support is holding. So if we're also going to do below, we have the week. Remember, I did an analysis today on how you can use ChatGPT to trade. So you can as well check our videos to see how you can use AI to trade, mostly on commodity and indices like this. They are very, very volatile and they require volatilities, market information to be able to get the right direction. So for what we have here is a sell. We will be expecting this market to break this. If the market is able to break that zone, we will have something like this. Then we can target this low. So at that point, we'll put our sell bar somewhere here, then all the way down here. On our 4 hours anyway, not on the daily. So we can look at it within 4 hours or 1 hour entry level. If we are to consider 1 hour, we have this as our analysis. Let me remove this so it doesn't make our screen look so ugly. So this is our expectation for today on XAUUSD. So this market is going to be alive and I'm going to trade it with you. So let's leave it to see what the market is going to bring to us. If you break through, then we enter. But we might do that on 30, 15 minutes. I think that will be fine. So that we can easily get a very clear and key level. So this is our entry for this market. So let's see how it goes. Guys, we're leaving this for life and let it be running.